Hello. Welcome to a video.
I'm filming the same time as Jack.
Hey.
We just got a new recorder and it has a face cam. Right now it says it's hiding.
We will put the link in the description
We will.
below. Yes, we sure will. I will at least. What are we playing? Speedrun 4? Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
We're going to be playing some Speedrun 4 for the first video with a webcam. And without actually holding a phone. And see, I'm blocky right now because I've been playing some Star Wars.
Hopefully.
Oh, I don't want the sound on. Yeah, we do not want sound on right now.
And so we only have 15 minutes of recording now.
Oh yeah, because the rest you have to upgrade. If you want the link, if you want to know what this thing's called, it will be in the link in the description of this video. Yeah. So obviously we're really good at Speedrun 4. We played this a lot, but we stopped after a while. If you want to friend us on Speedrun 4, just search up our names. We'll show them to you.
Yeah, I'm 1961.
I'm Jack VIP, no spaces. Doesn't matter about any of the capitals. I'm the only one.
I think I have max friends right now, but I don't know.
You'll have to get rid of some anyways. I'm probably gonna get rid of some of my friends. Because some of them are old accounts, they're never online anyways.
Yeah. We might not be able to finish this because there's a candy level, it's very hard.
Oh yeah, we might even have to make a new video because of the timing on this.
Part 2.
Oh yeah, is there a time, does it tell us when it's almost done?
Yeah, so far I've been recording for 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
So at like 14 minutes, the last 30 seconds, we'll do our outro. Just so you know. So each video is about 15 minutes.
15 seconds.
Yes, 15 seconds. Okay. I think the webcam is a bit laggy.
It probably is.
Yeah. Yeah, I move my head and then it's...
We'll take what we can get.
Yeah. We don't have...
It might not even be showing, but...
No, we have it on hide right now, except we can barely see it. It's faded away.
Yeah.
I'm doing so bad right now.
I'm on level 5 and so is Jack.
What's up with our skills? We used to be really good.
I haven't died yet. You're still doing good. I'm in 6.
Oh, you're on 6?
I don't know. I don't know anymore.
How do you not know?
Oh yeah, level 7 is the rainbow one.
Oh.
So I'm on level 6. Are you on the ice level, penguins?
No, just hold up. I'll almost be there.
I know, we can do it.
I lost my skills.
That's bad.
I'm on that dumb white one.
Rainbow. Speedrun 4 used to be so fun.
I know, now it's not as fun, but we're still gonna play it anyways because it's some good content, I guess.
We don't make money though.
Yeah, exactly.
But who cares?
It's all about the fun of it.
We already have some money.
Yeah, we make it from...
Oh,
Yeah.
and if we become popular, we'll get money.
Oh, you remind me of that one girl that says, "Oh, thank you for the 250," but in a weird voice.
Oh, I still haven't died yet, and I'm low. Why did I say that?
I'm sorry,
Well, as you can see, I died.
As you can see, I'm losing my skills.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what would be the best? If we share cam.
Oh, that'd be cool. Well, we could just get a bigger can and we can sit next to each other.
We need share cam.
We're probably not going to do this. And there's probably not going to be a part 2.
Maybe. We might just link a part 2 after this video, exactly after it.
Yeah. So hopefully people like it, because no one likes my videos or comments.
I mean, I did once.
Yeah, you. And other people I know.
But that doesn't count.
Yeah.
We'll do the subscribers
If you're
side.
watching this, please comment or like or dislike.
I have someone that's not in my family that's not really your friend that can subscribe to you.
I wouldn't care if you dislike my video. Go ahead.
That just shows that we need better content.
Yeah.
Like us killing.
What level are you on?
I'm doing terrible. I'm only on rainbow.
Oh, you're on the rainbow level?
Yeah, I lost skill on this game.
We recorded for, well, I have 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Yo, I wish you could skip.
I don't. Well, you can, I think, for Robux.
Well, yeah, but for free. Like if you die too many times. Oh yeah, I'm not showing you my whole taskbar because I don't want you guys seeing all my personal stuff.
You don't have any personal stuff.
Yes, I do. It's Roblox. That's what my personal stuff is.
I don't really have anything, but I'm just not sure.
And also because if we search something up and we want it to be a surprise, I wish it wasn't night and I wasn't at Zach's house.
Oh yeah, he's sleeping on that.
I would be.
It's 11:33. Quarter to 6 minutes.
Oh my god, what level are you on, Zach? I hate this rainbow level. I honestly do.
I'm on level 12.
Yo, I don't even think I'm gonna post this video though.
I'm posting it.
Yo, no matter how bad I do, I probably will post it, even though I'm saying I'm not.
I'm so much better.
You think? I used to be way better than I am right now.
I'm saying you used to be better than me.
No, I've never been better than you. Oh, okay, then I've been better than you? You just said that.
No.
Okay, we are the cameramen, we are the main people, and we edit our videos, or at least I do. He's lazy. I edit mine the next day after posting it. You just click edit and people can't watch it for the moment.
And I know how to edit, but I don't know how to edit.
And it's pretty simple. You can edit on here. We've never tried that out yet.
Yeah. This is our first time using this.
Yeah. Well, it's not the best for the webcam, but it is pretty good for
recording.
Yeah.
It gets pretty good sound.
Yeah, that too. We were testing it out. Zachary didn't believe that it would work very well.
You didn't think it would work.
Yeah, I know. At the end of that video, I just said, this sucks. And it worked perfectly. And then I found out that there's webcam. And it turns out, I suck at this game now. Why did I move? I am an idiot.
I'm on level 16 or 15, I don't know. And I've been recording for 8 minutes.
Yeah, I've been recording for like...
It says it on the corner where it says the pause button right next to it.
I am ready to rage right now.
Don't rage, please.
I clicked jump and it doesn't let me jump. Yeah, I wish you got the recording, the part of what my fingers are doing, so you saw what happens. That'd be a bit weird though.
Yeah, I don't know if you will believe me if I didn't show it, but I broke a record in Super Mario Maker. Well, dang it. We already told you though, so.
Yeah, not really. I didn't post mine and I didn't post the other one.
Okay, well, if you didn't post it then, and if you didn't know, I don't know if you said it in the one that was posted.
Okay, let's see if you remember the time.
15 to
293.
Close enough.
Not all of it was seconds. 15 seconds. 293 milliseconds. There's a big difference with that point there. If not, I don't know how he would have broke that record with that time.
Oh, yeah.
That probably means that they suck.
Yeah, I don't know how I beat that world record.
I said for him if he wants to beat the workers, just run straight through it.
Yeah, and then Jack said that door probably leads to the end. I'm like, no, it doesn't.
And then he goes through it, and it leads to the end.
And I'm like, oh crap. And then I see it says new record. I'm like,
yeah.
So then I took like 500 pictures and sent it on Snapchat.
But that's not what I said. I actually said that tunnel leads to it. You went through that door randomly. Yes.
The speed isn't working.
Probably because you jumped over it.
No, I'm going over it.
Is this server broken? I swear if this server is
I have
broken.
to kill myself. I swear, if it's this level, we've been recording, I've been recording for 10 minutes and 45 seconds.
I think this thing has wrong time because it has not been 10 minutes.
Yes, it has. It's been going so quick. We've been having some fun. Oh, wait. Yeah, this thing is wrong. I just said it was 11:33. It's 11:37. I think it is going wrong. And we're going too fast.
Yeah, I think we put the speed too high up.
I don't think we can fix the speed.
Yeah, you can. There's a speed thing.
I need to sit on my knees for you to see my face fully.
Why? Because you're so short?
Yes.
He's a bit of a midget. He might grow up as a dwarf, sadly.
No, I won't. I'm taller than a dwarf. And don't say midget. It's rude. Right?
Okay, I'm looking to the left right now, but for you, I'm looking to the right. I'm really doing bad. I'm usually better than this.
Oh, shoot. I just died at the end.
Oh, yeah, I don't know my time at all.
Once I finish this level, I'm done with the video and post a part 2.
Yeah, probably. But the question is,
Will it post?
no, will mine end?
Oh, and will mine post? I don't know where I'm supposed to post it.
You save it, then you post it. That's how it works.
Yes, I'm done.
Once I beat this level, which might never happen,
Okay, I made it. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
I'm probably not going to post a video right after this, because I might. I don't know.
Done. Save, upload.
Zachary, I need you.
You too. Come on.
Oh, shoot. I'm not signed into my account on my computer. You kidding me? Okay, well, that's the end of the video. Wait, no. I love this map. I'm sorry. That cannot be the end. Once I beat this level, because I love this level, it'll be the end.
I need to name it.
And you need the description. There is an invisible barrier on this map for a second.
Education. Gaming.
I've never done this level before. I will record me doing this level next time. I can actually figure out how to end this because I cannot find the end button. Zach, we have a problem. There is no end button on mine.
You press the pause button.
Nor a pause.
Oh shoot, where's the pause button? What did you do? Are you even recording?
Yeah, I am recording. Right there. Look at my Look at my side cam. This is recording. Oh, it's up there.
Oh, why is it up there? Okay, bye.